Hello, I'm Haider Malik, host of the Mehmi Financial Group podcast. Today's topic is factoring healthcare receivables, cash flow for Mississauga clinics. When patient billing cycles stretch 30-90 days and insurance reimbursements lag, factoring your receivables turns those invoices into immediate working capital so you can cover payroll, supplies, and growth initiatives without tapping reserves. Here's how to set it up and maximize the benefits for your clinic. 1. What is healthcare receivables factoring? Mechanics. You sell approved invoices, patient co-pays, insurer remits, MSP billings to a factoring company. They advance 80 to 90% of each invoice's face value, typically within 24-48 hours. When payers remit, you receive the remaining balance minus the factor's fee, 1-3%. Recourse options. Recourse factoring. You retain credit risk for non-payment, fees are lower. Non-recourse factoring. The factor assumes default risk, slightly higher fees, but greater peace of mind. 2. Key benefits for Mississauga clinics. Rapid liquidity. Access cash immediately to purchase medical supplies, PPE, consumables, cover staff wages, or invest in EMR upgrades. No waiting for insurer cycles. B. Predictable cash flow. Smooth out revenue volatility, especially in specialties like physiotherapy or dental, where patient volumes fluctuate seasonally. Operational focus. Outsource collections and dispute resolution. Free your front desk team to focus on patient care, not billing follow-up. Credit management. Many factors provide credit risk assessments on new patients or corporate clients, helping you avoid overextension. 3. How the process works. 1. Select a factor. Choose a firm experienced with healthcare receivables. They understand MSP, extended health carriers, and patient direct billing. 2. Onboarding and approval. Submit your customer list and sample invoices. The factor reviews payer credit profiles and sets advance and fee rates. 3. Invoice submission. After you deliver service and bill the patient or insurer, you forward the signed invoice to the factor. 4. Advance funding. Receive 80-90% of the invoice value almost immediately. 5. Collections and remittance. The factor collects payment. Once received, they remit the remainder to you minus fees. 4. Choosing the right factoring partner. Healthcare expertise. Ensure they grasp T-code billing, MSP nuances, and extended health plan adjudication. Advance rates and fees. Compare advance percentages, higher equals more cash, and tiered fee structures that drop as volume grows. Service levels. Evaluate their dispute resolution processes, reporting dashboards, and customer service responsiveness. Contract flexibility. Look for month-to-month agreements or easy exits. Avoid multi-year lock-ins if your receivables mix changes. 5. Best practices for maximum ROI. 1. Clean invoicing. Issue accurate, coded invoices immediately. Include patient consent forms, service dates, and insurer references to speed verification. 2. Patient communication. Inform patients and insurers about the factor's remittance address to prevent misrouted payments. 3. Blend financing. Use factoring for fast pay needs and retain a small receivables line for predictable volumes to optimize cost. 4. Monitor metrics. Track factoring fees as a percentage of revenue and measure DSO before and after factoring to validate ROI. 6. 3 action steps. 1. Audit your receivables. List your top 5 payers, MSP, WSIB, corporate plans, by volume and days outstanding. Gather sample invoices and payment histories. 2. Solicit term sheets. Request proposals from 2 healthcare specialist factoring firms. Compare advance rates, fees, recourse terms, and onboarding timelines. 3. Model cash flows. Simulate your next 60-90 days of payroll, rent, and supply outflows against factoring advances to confirm capacity meets needs. Factoring healthcare receivables can bridge cash flow gaps, stabilize operations, and free you to focus on patient care rather than billing. If slow payer cycles threaten your Mississauga clinic's growth or service levels, factoring may be the solution you need. I'm Haider Malik. Thanks for listening.